Hi everybody, welcome to Geotech and More. In today's video I show you an easy way to get the latest version of the Firefox web browser or the Seamonkey web browser or the latest Thunderbird email client on your GNU Linux distribution like Ubuntu for instance, or Debian, or any Debian based Linux distribution, or GNU Linux distribution if you prefer to call it more correctly GNU Linux distribution, right? The way you would install this is you go to this website right here. I'll provide a link to this website right here. Ubuntu-Zilla. This is the Mozilla software installer. And you just scroll down to the installation section. And this line right here in blue here that I've highlighted, you just copy and paste this. You copy and paste this into your terminal. So you go to whatever terminal you're using, and then you would just paste this line into the terminal, and then you hit enter on your keyboard. Now I've already done this, so I'm not going to do this again. You do that, and when you do that, that'll add this repository to your package manager, so you can install with your package manager, so you'll be able to install either Firefox or a Seamonkey web browser or the Thunderbird email client. Now once you do that, right, you would go down. You have to add the key to this, so you just go to you just go right here below, right here, and you copy and paste this in the terminal. You hit copy, you go back to terminal, you paste this, and then you hit enter on your keyboard, and that'll add the key so that you can install whatever program you'd like, either a Firefox web browser, Seamonkey web browser, or the Thunderbird email client. Once you do that, you can easily, through the terminal, right, you can install either Firefox right here with this command. For Firefox, you can install right there, you see, for Firefox. Or if you want the not the latest version, but the ESR version of Firefox, you can just install it that way. This won't give you the latest Firefox. This gives you like the latest stable build. The longest long-term support version of Firefox would be this way with ESR Firefox right here, you see. But if you want the latest and greatest Firefox, you install it with this line right here, the top line. Now if you'd like Seamonkey, you go down here, and you can just copy and paste this into the terminal to install Seamonkey. And then again, if you'd like the email client Thunderbird, you just copy and paste this line right here. Now, an even easier way to do this would be to open the Synaptic package manager, and you just hit update, go to Synaptic, put your password, wait for this to load. There you go, you hit reload on your Synaptic package manager. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian or any Debian based distribution, Synaptic should be on there. If it's not on your distro of your Debian based distribution, you can install Synaptic through the terminal with apt-get install Synaptic. First you do sudo. You put your sudo password, which is your root password, sudo su you would put in the terminal. You put your password, and then you can install, you put apt-get update in the terminal, and then you type apt-get install Synaptic in the terminal, and then you can install this package manager. So I have Seamonkey installed, so I just search for Seamonkey. See, and right here is Seamonkey, which I've already installed. I have it here in my menu, right here, Mozilla build of Seamonkey. Now you can install Firefox if you'd like. See right here you have the ESR version of Firefox, which I already have installed. This comes installed by default on Debian, which I'm using right now. But if you like the latest, greatest Firefox, let's see where it is here, because I know a lot of people like Firefox. You would go here to Firefox Mozilla build right here. This is the latest version of Firefox right here. Not the long-term support version of Firefox. This is the latest version, like bleeding edge version of Firefox. Alright? And then again, if you'd like Thunderbird, which is the email client, you can install that if you'd like. So let's look for Thunderbird. See right here, Thunderbird, Mozilla build. Now the way to find out if you're installing the latest version of each of these programs is it'll say Mozilla build in the after the name of the package. So this is Thunderbird Mozilla build, right? And then for Firefox, it would be Firefox Mozilla build right there, and it tells you right there in the description that this is from Ubuntu Zilla. See right there? So that's how you know that you're installing that version of Firefox. So that's the way you do it right there, you know, and then you install it. Now, for your ease of installing this, I'm going to, in my description to this video, I'll copy and paste this. I'll put this line right here in the description of the video that you need to copy and paste in the terminal, and I'll also put the this line to add the key that you need to install right here. I'll put both of these lines in the description of the video, as well as the link to the Ubuntu Zilla website. Which at the moment doesn't seem to be loading, but all links will be provided in the description. Oh, I'm on the website already. So there you go. Yeah, I forgot I was actually on the Ubuntu Zilla website right there. So I'll put the link right here to this website. I'll put this link right here in the description of this video, as well as the two lines that you need to put in the terminal, that you need to enter in the terminal to install the repository for this, you know, so then you can install either Firefox, the Seamonkey web browser, or the Thunderbird email client. See, myself, I like the Seamonkey web browser, so I install Seamonkey right here. This is Seamonkey, because Seamonkey is it's the closest link. It has a direct heritage from the Netscape web browser, which is what I used to use back in the day. And this is the closest that you're going to get to having the Netscape web browser, for those of us who remember the Netscape web browser. Firefox is also a continuation of Netscape, but Firefox went in a different direction. Seamonkey keeps it very true to the original Netscape, and that's what I like about it. So here's my YouTube page. I invite you to subscribe. Feel free to comment, like my video, or don't like my video, and if you don't like it, feel free to leave a comment and tell me why you didn't like it. I take criticism pretty well. I'm getting better at it. And if you liked the video, you know, feel free to comment and let me know why you liked it and all that. And thank you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope this helps you install the latest version of either Firefox or Seamonkey web browser. or the Thunderbird email client on your new Linux distribution, either Debian or Ubuntu or any Debian-based distribution. So there you go. Thanks for watching my video, everyone, and take care. Be well.